Welcome to this short tutorial about how to register for online subscription classes to save time and money when registering for our classes. You can do this now in bulk subscription orders. So first go up to register and then down to online class subscriptions. You'll then be taken to this page here and you can choose a pricing plan of your choice. Wednesday members will be for classes on a Wednesday. For Friday members will be classes on a Friday, and naturally Thursday rehearsals will be on a Thursday. So please check the schedule and choose a day and time. They all begin at 4 p.m. UK Standard Time, which is suitable to you. But for this instance, we're going to go with the Friday member. And you do have a 7-day free trial for 2 of our services. You go down to this page. If you don't have an account already, you'll have to sign up, but I'm already logged in, and then you will pay, and a receipt and booking confirmation will be sent to the email of your choice. You'll be then directed to the next page. Once you've entered the payment information, you'll find this page here, which you'll be directed to. You've successfully ordered a pricing plan. You'll get a confirmation email soon, which should have arrived. Then you can go to register, online services. Still logged into our account, we can scroll down to the service and subscription, which we've registered for. We can click book now. Select the date and time of the class, and you will find that you have 10 sessions for 10 weeks via your subscription until it is cancelled. Select the time and date, and then you'll find in the information on the right hand side of the screen that you have unlimited sessions until your subscription is cancelled. Then click next and sign up for the class. You can also do this via the My Bookings section of the members area by going to My Bookings and clicking Check Out Our Services, and here you'll be redirected to our online services page. If you'd like more subscriptions, you can go to Register and Online Class Subscriptions again and choose a different or additional pricing plan. Thank you very much.